In the first implementation, the application lets you remove unwanted objects, stage rooms in different styles, and add furniture or decor with just a few clicks or prompts. I added two features that work together to create dynamic views of room images. First, the multiple angle views feature lets you render a room from different camera positions. It includes Angle Assistant panel where you control the camera with three settings. Azimuth is a horizontal rotation around the room, and the elevation, vertical angle from floor to ceiling, and zoom distance. You can drag visual control or use sliders to set the angle, and the system generates a new image from that perspective. The second part is video generation. You can take any room image and turn it into a short video with custom motion. You provide a text prompt describing the movement, like room rotates 360 degrees or slow pan across the room, and the system generates a video showing that motion. The videos are smooth and can be used for immersive walkthroughs or showcasing different angles. These features work independently but complement each other. Generate multiple angle views to explore perspectives or generate videos for dynamic presentations. They are useful for real estate listings where you want to show rooms from various angles and in motion. Let's understand what elevation is. The elevation control includes a tooltip that shows preset angles like Zenith, top-down, high angle, elevated, eye level, and nadir or low angle. The elevation range goes from -30 to 90. It's called zenith or ceiling view, just looking straight down. If this camera angle is hard to understand, just follow me, don't worry. In the next section, I'll compare it with the globe and you will get everything. You can just compare it to hemisphere on a globe. The floor view -30 degrees is like the equator, the widest circular path around the edge. And the zenith is like the pole. So elevation is the vertical camera angle, so showing how high or low the camera is pointed relative to the horizon. In short, it controls the up and down, and the negative angles look up and positive angles look down. At 90 degrees is directly overhead. But I would like to go into a little more detail about these angles. So -30 degrees, it's a floor level, it's nadir. It's called the hero shot, looking up from the floor. -50 degrees, it's called crouch view. It's like sitting or kneeling height, makes the room feel cozy. Zero, it's called eye level, it's a horizon. It's a natural human view, looking straight ahead. So actually, the image you see here is an eye level view. +16 degrees, it's just above eye level. It's great for seeing over tabletops. 30 degrees is elevated view. It's professional real estate photo, adds a sense of depth. Plus 60 degrees is high angle, looking down from a ladder shows floor or furniture tops. At 90 degrees it's called top down or Zenith, and they also call it the God view, looking straight down from the ceiling. Azimuth is the horizontal rotation angle showing how far you rotate the camera around the room. The Azimuth tooltip shows these directions. 0 is front view, 90 degrees is right side, 180 degrees is back view, 270 degrees is left side, and 360 is front view again. So in this picture, the elevation is set to eye level 0 and the other azimuth is 0. So this is how it looks from the camera angle. So it's a front view and the eye level view. So at 0, which is eye level, just moving the azimuth slider moves the camera indicator in a circular path around the angle picker. Though it doesn't reach the outermost circle, it states it's about 75% of the maximum radius from the center. So at 90, it's an elevation zenith. Moving the azimuth slider keeps the camera indicator near the center of the angle picker. So it barely moves. There is no visible circular path because the dot stays at the center regardless of azimuth. And this is expected as at zenith the camera looks straight down. So azimuth rotation doesn't change the position. So lowering lowering the elevation makes azimuth rotation trace a circular path around the center. So at minus 30 degrees, it's a floor view. The camera indicator sits at the outermost edge of the angle picker. When you rotate the azimuth slider, it moves the indicator in full 360 degrees circular path around the perimeter, giving you the maximum trajectory for exploring different horizontal viewing angles. So this angle picker works like a globe. So the floor view minus 30, it's like an equator. The largest radius azimuth rotation traces the largest circle. Eye view level is 0, it's mid latitude, medium radius, smaller circular path. And zenith it's 90 degrees, it's like a north or south pole. Radius approaches 0. Azimuth rotation barely moves the indicator. So in our system, there is one zenith point at 90 degrees elevation. It's a top ceiling view, not two poles like on a globe. The zoom level. Zoom level controls the camera's distance from the room. It ranges from 0 to 10. 0 is wide shot. Camera, camera is far away, shows more of the room. 5 it's called medium shot, normal distance, the default one. And the 10 is close up, camera very close, tighter framing. So The purple dot in the angle picker also scales with zoom, larger at 10 and smaller at 0, providing visual indicator of the current zoom. So as a summary, the azimuth is rotation around the room, elevation is vertical angle, and the zoom is a distance on the field of view. Zoom controls how much of the scene is captured. Let's take pictures of the room from different angles. We will start the zoom level. We will set the zoom level to 5, the default, the horizontal angle to 0, and the vertical angle to 90. So this is officially called the top-down Zenith perspective, featuring at 90 degrees vertical angle looking straight down and a 0 horizontal angle to keep the camera perfectly aligned with the room's original orientation. This time we will use zoom level. So we'll set it to 2. So horizontal angle. That's it. 109 and the vertical is 67. This one should be interesting. So zoom level is 2, vertical angle is 0, and horizontal angle in 1. How to set? No, 181. And you see, this is the eye level view of the room from the back, just looking towards the doors. As you can see, they generated also a view on the doors. Zoom level 2.6, horizontal say 90, and vertical -21. Now we will generate a video from the room image. The model can generate either 5 or 10-second video. We will use 5-second video. The prompt is 360 degree rotation. It will do some rotation but not full 360 degrees because the duration is only 5 seconds, which is too short. When a video is generated, it is initially set to view. If the generated file is a video, it will play as a video, otherwise it will show as an image. After generation, we set it to view because for set for video generation case, we need an image to process. We use two models for different tasks. For multiple angles, we use the Quen model. It takes a single image and generates new views from different camera positions. So you control the angle with horizontal azimuth from 0 to 360 degrees, vertical the elevation from -30 to 90 degrees, and zoom from 0 to 10 parameters, and it returns a new image from that perspective. For video generation, we use the clean model. It converts static image into a video with motion. You provide an image, a prompt describing the motion, the duration, 5 or 10 seconds, and it returns a video file showing that motion.